Now we're going to see about horizontal layout and vertical layout and auto layout features. So in horizontal layout, first we need to duplicate this frame one. So select this frame one and press Control D. Okay, then we reduce this content in this just type like similarly in frame two. Then drag this frame one. Okay, then after dragging frame one and frame two, just auto layout this frame one and frame two. Add auto layout. So to know about horizontal layout, just click frame 2 and Control C and Control D. See, this horizontally. See, it is horizontally coming. So this is the feature of horizontal layout. So in vertical layout, just clicking it, you can see Control C and Control D. Then vertical layout. Then click frame 3 and click vertical layout. See, we can see the vertical layout. This is horizontal layout. Vertical, horizontal. This 76 shows the spacing between them. So this is similar to the box model in CSS. Let's check out box model. Box, box model in CSS. So images. So this is our content. Welcome to Sakti. So padding. Padding is padding is a space between the content and border. So let's check it out. So click frame 3. Just come to horizontal layout. Then padding if we give 50, 50, 50, and 50. So we can see the padding between. This is the horizontal padding and this is vertical padding. So that's all about horizontal and vertical layout.